By now, some of you know that the T in the T-SOL sentence structure stands for tense. This tense applies to the entire sentence, and it lets us know that everything behind it is either past, present, or future. Another phrase that has a tense marker is the subject phrase. You all heard it before, the O. If I say Orifomai, I'm saying it is the doctor. Not it was or it will be, but is. Present tense, and then whatever subject you're identifying. But if you say the subject phrase inside of a sentence of a T-SALT or TASLT structure, then we don't need the subject tense marker O because it takes on the sentence tense. Na sao le fomai I le potu anapo. We don't have to say olefomai because the subject olefomai takes on the past tense na, just like the rest of the sentence. But if you take the subject and put it in front of the tense, then we need to say the O because there's not a tense before the subject. Olefomai na sao I le potu anapo.